channel. I know my face is not finished, like I did makeup but I have not finished my face, because today I want to tell you guys something. I went to a makeup fair and I saw a lot of products, like a lot of makeup products, but I came across this brow pencil. It's actually a 3-in-1 brow pencil. It looks like this. It's called Brow Addict, and I bought this and I just thought I'd share with you guys my first impression. I haven't opened it, so I want to open it on this video and use it and tell you guys how I feel about it. Okay, so it's called, the name of the brand is actually YANKEBEAUTY, and this is their micro 3-in-1 brow pencil. So let me open it up and we'll see what's inside. Okay, so I've opened it up and this is how it looks. It's black with inscriptions. On the body has YANKEBEAUTY, then it has the micro 3-in-1 brow pencil. So it has 3 sides basically. This side is the spoolie and then the brow gel. So that's what's inside this one, the mascara rod and the brow gel. And this one is, it's like a sponge. It's called the brow powder, and it also, you can also use it to blend the eyebrow once you're done. And now to the main part. This part is now the brow pencil. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. You just roll it up, and it's like this. Let me see if I can roll it to the end. Yeah, so you get this much with this. So it's very good. Like, you don't need anything extra when you want to like apply your brows, and this comes in handy and you have everything you want. So I'm just going to use it to do my brows and we'll see how it goes. We'll see if it's something I like. So yeah, first of all, you have to make sure that your eyebrows are clean, like shaved very well, and you don't have any, you know, excess hair, so that you can get a very good result of what you want to do. So yeah, I've already done that to my brows, and I'm gonna just start off and start using this. Meanwhile, I like the shape. It's so fine, so unique, and yeah, so let's begin. So I'm gonna start off by drawing a line underneath my brow, just like that. This brow is actually not too thick, and I like it because it's buildable. You know, you can control it. It's not like any other normal brow pencil that once you just apply it, you have seen what you're doing. So this is actually buildable and controllable. You can correct any mistakes that might come out, because drawing eyebrow is not easy. Don't let anybody lie to you. Okay, so this makes it easier because I am building and it's not harsh on my brow. Can you see that? Can you see that? See and see. You cannot see much difference, but as time goes by, you have to build and it's very soft. It's very soft. It's not hard on your skin. Wow, so it's so soft, like I can barely feel it. So as I apply, I'm just gonna sweep up my hair. Can you tell there's anything? Wow, this is, if you're a team natural person, get this brow pencil. If you're really, I mean, very good for brides too, especially for the white wedding. You know, you don't want too much, so you can just acquire this and use for your brides. Yeah, that's it. That is it. Just like this, and you can't even tell that I have anything on because it's so natural and so natural, so nice. This one is in the number, I think they have numbers, yeah. So this one is in the number 322. I got this one, and I got another one, number 321, I guess. So I'm just going to use this just to fill in. I'm done basically, but I just want to fill in the empty spaces. Yeah, can you see how natural this is? Like, can you see how very natural and fine it is? I'm just going to do this other brow and highlight, but I'm loving the results so far. I didn't have to stress too much. I didn't have to, I didn't make any mistakes because I was able to control the amount I was putting on my brows basically. So when you're able to control the amount of product you're putting on your brows, you cannot make any mistake. Even if you're making a mistake, you're correcting it almost immediately, and that is very good. That's very, very good. So I'm going to do the other brow and we'll see. So I'm just drawing thin strokes underneath my eyebrow and just filling it, basically just filling it in. It's so easy, it's so soft. Like, it's not soft like once you apply it's going to break, but it's so soft, and the feeling is very good. The feeling on your skin on your brow is very, very good. So can you see? So natural. Like, these days you don't even need to do too much on your brow, just go natural and yeah, you're good to go. So this is how it looks applying. I'm going to sweep up as I go, sweep up my natural brows and check if there's any opening, any space, and just fill it lightly. What the brow looks like, mind you, I have not highlighted. I just filled it in with the Yankebeauty brow pencil, and it already looks like this. If I'm in a rush, like if I'm in a hurry, I can go out like this without even highlighting my brows. I'm good to go like this. It's so nice. It was very easy. You guys saw how easy it was for me to apply it. That is how easy it is in real life. Okay, so it's very easy, very no stress, and it comes in colors, numbers, yeah, colors, and this is 322, and it's 321, and there are other numbers like that. So yes, I'm just going to go ahead and I'll highlight my brows and come back and use the other ends of the pencil. Okay, so I'm done highlighting, and this is what it looks like. It's so natural. Like, can you just see how it looks like I don't apply anything, but yet there's something there, and it looks so natural, so nice, so class. You have to apply your eyebrow with class and move with class. Okay, and this is what this gives you. So yeah, if you're looking to get any eyebrow pencil that does the magic, that makes you look natural at the same time look chic, this Yankebeauty is gold. Like, it's gold. So now to my favorite part of the brow pencil. When you go out, your brow pencil, your eyebrow tends to get oily at the end of the day. Like, yeah, but if you have an oily skin, your brows tends to get oily and shiny. I hate that thing. Like, I don't even like it. So that's why this brow mascara is in this collection, because you need to set your brows after you're done applying it. It's very important. If you want your brows to stay put all day, it's very important to set your brows. And I just, can you see that it's brown? So I'm just going to use it to just set my brow a little bit, just apply a little bit on it to make it stay like that till I'm ready to take it off. And it just gives you this more natural look. So I'm just setting it like that, and yep, that's just it. That is it. Just take this as a mini tutorial, brow tutorial, using the very good, the very wonderful Yankebeauty pencil. Yeah, so that is it. That's just basically it. It wasn't so hard, was it? You can just try this at home. but you need to get this. Like, this is so nice. It retails for 2,000 naira, I think. Yeah, because at the fair it was on discount, but it sells for 2,000 naira. I'm going to leave every information you need to know about this eye pencil in the box below. The Instagram handle, the price, everything you need to know about this brow pencil. It's so nice, so lovely. I don't know, I don't even know what else to say. I think I've said everything I need to say about this eye pencil. The next thing for you to do is just go and just get it. Okay, just own your own, just have your own. If you're a makeup artist professionally, have it for your clients. If you're a makeup artist for yourself, have it for yourself. Okay, so I'm just gonna finish up my face now, and then I'll see you guys later. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends about this channel. Please like this video. Let me know what you think about this makeup, this eyebrow pencil, and this eyebrow that I drew on my face. Okay, so see you guys later.